Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the updated process for removing access from a Google Sheet as of 2023. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently control who gets to see or edit your spreadsheets, keeping your data safe and private. If you've ever shared a sheet for a group project at work or just to get someone's input, you know how important it is to tidy up your permissions afterwards. So let's dive right in and clean up that access list together. Alright, first things first, go ahead and open up your Google Sheet. Now up in the top right corner, you'll notice a big vibrant button that says Share. This button is truly the gateway to controlling who can do what with your document. Go ahead and give that a click. Don't worry if you see a lot of names or emails pop up here, or even if it looks a bit different from the last time you used it. Google updates this interface pretty often, but the core steps are the same. Once you're inside the sharing panel, you'll see a list of people who currently have access to your Google Sheet. For example, you might notice that someone has editing access, meaning they can make changes, add or remove data, and generally do anything you can do except maybe change ownership. That's a lot of power, so let's say you want to limit what this person can do. Maybe your collaboration is done and now you only want them to view the information, not edit it. All you have to do is find their name in the list, then look to the right where you'll see their current permission level, like Editor. Click on Editor and change it to Viewer. This simple change ensures they can still open your sheet and see everything, but they can't accidentally or intentionally delete anything or make edits. It's a bit like giving someone a read-only copy of a document instead of the master key. Now let's take it a step further. Sometimes you might not want anyone to access the sheet going forward unless they specifically ask. This is where the General Access settings come in handy. Right beneath the list of individual people, there's a section labeled General Access. This controls what anyone with the link can do. It's super important because leaving this too open is one of the most common ways people accidentally share sensitive information. If you see something like anyone with the link can view, that means your sheet is a bit more public than you may want. We're going to restrict that. Simply click on where it lists the current setting and change it to restricted. What this does is lock things down so that from now on only the people specifically listed can access it, and anyone else will have to request access and get your approval before seeing your data. After you've tightened up both individual and general access, give everything a quick double check, then click the Done button. That's the step that makes everything go live, kind of like locking the door once you've checked that all your guests have left the party. If you make a mistake or change your mind, you can always revisit these settings and adjust them as needed. It may take a few moments for the permissions to update, especially if you've removed several people, so don't worry if it doesn't look instant. And that's it, you've now removed access from your Google Sheet and taken back control of your data. If this walkthrough helped you out, go ahead and tap that like button. Got any questions or want to see a tutorial on a different Google app? Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.